Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through a new and exciting feature on WhatsApp for PC, how to view all events in a chat. This update makes it easier than ever to keep track of important moments, meetings, or reminders directly within your conversations. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you haven't already set it up, make sure your phone is linked to the desktop app by scanning the QR code. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats listed on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, find the chat where you want to view events. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat. Simply click on the chat to open it. Now, here's where it gets interesting. At the top of the chat window, you'll see the name of the contact or group. Click on it to open the contact info or group info page. This section contains all the details about the chat, including media, links, and documents shared. Once you're in the contact info section, look for a new option called Events. Click on it and voila, you'll see a list of all scheduled events associated with that chat. These could include meetings, reminders, or any other planned activities that were created within the conversation. This feature is incredibly useful for staying organized without needing a separate calendar app. You can quickly check upcoming events, their dates and times, and even manage them directly from this section. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can now access all events in any WhatsApp chat on your PC. Whether it's for work or personal use, this feature is bound to make your life more streamlined. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other apps effectively. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.